Very good. Mr. Alfonso there in the purple. So when you see.
Alright, so we're going to Diblai's competition. We're so excited. She's super nervous.
Yay!
Yeah. We're ready. We're ready. Look at Fatuma.
Wait.
Woohoo! We hope you do good, Abayo. You got this. You'll be fine. It's just for fun. Think of it like that. It's nothing serious. Just for fun. Hi. Hi.
And I just need a photo release because they are going to take pictures. So I just need her name and then you sign it. Yep, here you go. And here is, oh, I'm excited for yours. Yours sounded yummy. Yeah.
Hello, family members. Say hi to my camera.
What's up, vlog?
Thank you for coming.
Well,
Hello,
hello everyone.
Thank you for coming. Hi, Jamila.
Welcome to the Sodexo Magic Future Chef Challenge. Also known
Put your
as
purse there.
Lunch Lady, a title I love. And we are going to have so much fun today. Our students are going to come, and I'd like to invite all of our future chefs up to the head table, please.
Hurry.
Where we would like you to put on. Come on, it's all.
Go ahead.
You're going to find your name tag on the table. Yeah? We got chef hats for you. We'd like you to put those.
Let me see.
We have aprons.
Turn around.
And all of my sous chefs.
You got this, Mikey.
Them get their aprons.
She's so.
You got a packet in the front. Yeah?
Oh my God. It's a whole thing.
Mama.
Move, let me look at it.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Fix that. You guys are looking good.
Oh.
There she is.
Come on over. Find the window. So your face is in the picture. Come
Good luck, Diblai.
on, fine. Okay. How we look, Alfonso? Ready? Are we ready? Future chefs, are we ready? Ready. What are we going to say? Cheese! That's Mr. Alfonso there in the purple. So when you see him, you got to smile.
Wait a second. They're so cute. They're so cute. So cute.
All right. Way to go, future chef people now.
OMG. You setting up your station? Setting up your station? Hello.
Tell them hello.
First one out. Let's go. Come on. You're doing great.
John is here. Hang on. We got judge number 2 just walked in.
Woohoo! Okay, so we're going to leave our little plate here. And you're sure you don't want to go back to that water? Just
That's what's happening.
you can. Come on.
She said no. If she wants to put, you know, like other stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so.
her with the judges that just ate her sandwich.
And then you can go that up.
Calm down.
Bring out your certificate. Thank you. And a card cake, you want to put that underneath it? Very good.
But I didn't put it on my list.
That's why it was sticking.
Oh,
It would be if you put them a little bit, it would not be
show
sticking.
chef for the exciting egg sandwich.
Oh, mine was sticking, but at home I thought I didn't have to use oil because
A little
She's
bit.
gonna be a chef, okay? Don't play with her.
shop at home, that was already slippery, so it's done. Let me see.
And this is what they gave her, and they gave her this.
Let's go. It's a family game.
It's a family game, and she got complete cooking baking book for young chef. Nice.
Let's go.
And then they gave her like all this stuff, this momentary cooking
Mama, he's
tools.
not gonna give it